Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro vs Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The real difference: Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro are out where we see almost a similar feature as we have seen in the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic last year. So if you own Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and want to update, but cannot make a decision, then this video will clear things up. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro was revealed on August 10th, but we already know how it will look like and what features it was packing in the new titanium build watch. But as expected, the Watch 5 Pro design looks older and quite similar to the Watch 4 Classic from last year. No big changes here except few. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 brings few updates that attract some people, where excluded one feature that every watch fan wanted, and that is rotating bezel. Yes, this time Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is not featuring the rotating bezel but keep the similar design like Watch 4 Classic, which hurt most of the Galaxy users. But few changes that Samsung made with the Watch 5 Pro are good to have on the Watch 4 Classic: a bigger battery, a new titanium build, and a new sensor. And except these, Watch 4 Classic and Watch 5 Pro shares the same specs. Samsung interestingly put the same processor Exynos W920 in the Watch 5 Pro that was used last year in Watch 4 Classic. And also the same 1.5 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage. Interesting to see there is no much of a big difference between the performance of these two devices. Although Galaxy Watch 5 Pro powers a really big battery, 590 mAh, 63% more than last year's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro Classic 46mm version, which was 361 mAh. And having this much of battery on the Watch 5 Pro, this can last more than 80 hours as claimed. Meanwhile, Samsung also worked on durability of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, where we see that titanium build and a new Sapphire glass instead of Gorilla Glass on the Watch 4 Classic. And Galaxy Watch 5 Pro have all the features that Watch 4 Classic have, but one more, which is most awaited: one body temperature sensor. Except this, all of the sensors are same in the Watch 5 Pro that we have seen in the Watch 4 Classic. There is also a price difference between Watch 5 Pro and Watch 4 Classic, where Watch 5 Pro costs $449 for Bluetooth version and $500 for LTE version. And Watch 4 Classic 42mm start at $350 and 46mm start at $380, and for LTE version just add 50 more in it. If you want Watch 4 Classic and thinking of whether to update or not, then you can have things clear up. If you need a bigger battery and a stronger build, then surely go for Watch 5 Pro. But if you are not interested in these kind of things and love your rotating bezel, then you don't need to update, considering the Watch 5 Pro is a refined version of the Watch 4 Classic. Are you willing to upgrade from Watch 4 Classic to Watch 5 Pro? And did you guys like the design of Watch 5 Pro? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.